Hey guys, how's it going? I'm Alice.
I'm Jenny.
And welcome to another episode of the Alice and Jenny Show! Cheers.
Cheers. And cheers to all of you.
Cheers to y'all. So today... It has taken so long to just sit down and start filming. What? Today we're just going to be playing with a new little ColourPop collection. Of course, I literally just posted my Wild Nothing, like, first impression and review. And as I was hitting upload on that video, another ColourPop package arrives.
It's awesome.
It is. I mean, they're back to cranking stuff out, which it's a lot. Nobody needs this much makeup, but I think it's kind of fun to see like what kind of little packaging and concept they come up with and see if it's any good and then create a little look with it, you know? It's called Garden Variety. And there's a few things to try. I feel like what we should try out first are the lip glosses. It's my new favorite concept from ColourPop.
Gen Zen.
And this one's called Local Time.
It's not, there isn't a pigment because we don't have anything on right now.
Yeah, it's a super sheer, basically just glitter, and it's almost impossible to tell the difference between these two, but look how stunning. Look how good your lips look. And doesn't it feel amazing?
It feels good.
It's not sticky. Go like that.
No.
There's no stick. It's like the most amazing lip gloss ever, and I just needed you to experience that.
It's nice.
Another thing that it came with was this, which I don't even know, man. Look at this.
Add a touch of warm gold glow with best-selling Soul Glow Oil.
Soul Glow Oil. Soul Glow.
Is there something about having the camera on that makes me not be able to speak English?
Probably.
Soul Glow Oil. Why aren't you guys trying to fucking say it?
Do you want to try it?
Soul Glow Oil.
Look at how crazy that looks.
Well, it's for bodies. So.
Yeah, so we're going to put it all over our arms.
But my face is already not tan. So.
Look at this.
Oh my gosh. That looks really cool.
Right? I already tested it out on the back of my hand. I mean, it's like a tanning thing, but you just rub it in, and it's just basically like a glittery, like, beautiful oil.
Oh, yeah.
That will help with our pasty ass fucking skin.
No, I thought I was gonna be like all sticky and weird, but no, it's really like, it's actually pretty fucking like smooth.
Yeah, and it smells so good, right?
It does smell really good.
And I feel like we look less pasty now.
I didn't use as much as you because I was afraid, but these are my hands.
Yeah, it's glitter, honey.
Mrs. Tin Man. Mrs. Gold
Man.
Gold.
Let's do eyeshadow, huh? This is the Garden Variety palette, as you can see. Really cute.
I know which one is my favorite already.
The last row is giving me all the fall vibes, and I'm obsessed.
I'm here for the bottom row.
Yeah, like, I want to just use the bottom row. I mean,
this is Thanksgiving. This is giving me gravy.
Giving me thanks.
Cranberry sauce. Just like the turning of the leaves right here.
I can't wait.
Are we going to talk about these?
Oh, right. The collection also came with some Jelly Munch eyeshadows. So we have, I don't know how to pronounce that. You can figure that out.
Saguaro. Cigarro?
Saguaro.
I don't know if I want to use those. I'm not a huge shimmer kind of bitch. Are you? You kind of are.
I like shimmer, but I don't usually put on They're absolutely
Like, what would you...
they're absolutely gorgeous when you look at the bottom of the container and
right?
stuff. But I usually don't put on a shimmer like on my lid because of the creasing
Yeah.
and the wiping away.
I
and
like
stuff.
matte. I'm a matte bitch.
If I do a shimmer, it's usually like I dip my finger in and then like.
I don't know. That bottom row really can just hit me where it hurts. So I might have to do something kind of like vampy vibes. Okay, mama. I just went in with Stay Sharp,
Okay.
which is that poopy brown. For the whole vibe of everything is very green, but there's only like one green in the palette, which is weird.
I was thinking about using that green or the pink.
Yeah, it's a cute palette and it's like big. Like usually they only do the 9 pan. What you going into? Clay day.
Day.
Ooh, that's really pretty. Oh my goodness. I'm not gonna lie, the top 2 rows. Yawnsville.
No, honestly, I like them. I love the purple and like I love these ones, and I like the green too. But I don't know. It's not screaming for me right now. Like maybe for Easter or something.
Yawn.
Okay, bitch. We get it. You don't like it.
I'm going in sucker for you. Sucker for you. Oh. I literally like what? Who? How? When? Where? Why? These mattes that ColourPop has been coming out with the glitter in them, I'm done. I'm donezo. Done. They're so
Is
pretty.
she done?
I'm done. Like, I'm done.
I wonder if she's done.
Put a fork in me. Cause I'm what?
Done.
You damn right. It's a lot of fallout though. Good call on the powder.
Yep.
That's so cute. We're ending up with like a pretty similar look. Man, the amount of glitter that is
Getting off of it,
yeah,
falling away.
the fallout is crazy. I need to. Okay. So yeah, it's grungy, honey. Welcome to the jungle. Are you gonna do any shimmer?
I'll do shimmer.
Okay.
Wavelength.
Yeah, I just put that in my inner corner. Ooh, why don't you put one of these on top? Actually, yeah, dude, that would really make it pop.
Remember
think you should
in the
use this
beginning
one.
of this
I think you
episode, I said I don't usually use
I think you should use saguaro.
wet because it gets crunchy.
Use saguaro. Get a little saguaro. Want me to do it?
You insist.
Alright, guys. I'm gonna dip into saguaro. Oh wow, that's glittery. You're gonna freak out. Okay. Experience the saguaro.
Oh, that's cute.
It's pretty, right? Should I put the other one on mine?
Probably. I can't wait to hear what the actual pronunciation of saguaro is.
Saguaro.
Your makeup is so cute already, though. This
I
is such a cute color.
suck a few. Suck a few.
Suck a few.
Suck a
Don't suck one. Suck a few.
Get out there and suck a few.
Suck a for you.
Oh.
Okay. Yep. Nope. It's taking it to the next level.
Oh.
Keep going.
Oh, honey.
Keep
Wow. Okay. Okay. Okay, ColourPop. You fucking bitch. Wow. I didn't think I needed this shit in my life, but apparently I do. It makes it look so wet. And it just goes right on top of the other shades so beautifully. Wow. We're putting on lashes, bitch.
We're doing lashes. We're struggling. It just seems like I'm not wearing any makeup whatsoever.
it's far away, Jenny. It's a tiny screen and it's from far away. But you want to smoke out a little bit more or what?
I want to smoke out.
Blaze it, dude. Blaze it. Smoke it. Smoke it out. What kind of eyeliner do you want?
Black.
Liquid pencil?
Pencil?
Like for waterline?
Yeah.
Was that your bra?
Yes, it was. Can't tell.
No, you can't. That's what I love about YouTube. My hair covers my armpit fat, nobody can see my stomach, and also nobody can see my tits.
Unless you want them to.
Swing low, sweet chariots. Okay, I'm loving the smokiness. Yeah, the smokiness, the vampiness. I'm here for it. Hold up. You can't just go into a product without talking about it first, ma'am.
Didn't we talk about it?
So,
Desert Rose.
every rose has its rose. We have two blushes in the collection. I have the shade Whole 9 Yards.
I have Dusty Rose. Desert Rose. Desert Rose.
And actually the thing is, the problem, these are both very pink, but we went for a really kind of like orangey look, like orangey eyeshadow, which I'm struggling with because I need to match my eyeshadow with my blush. Like,
I don't think you do.
I do.
Alice, this is...
People on this channel
This
know.
is so nice and neutral. It's getting everywhere. That's for sure. It's a little bit...
I'll take a little bit of the Whole 9 Yards and put that. Actually, yeah, that's really cute. Honestly, ColourPop knows the fuck how to do blush. They really do. It's a little pink.
Rose.
It's a little too pink for me. I need some
use a little bit
orangey
of this
vibes.
first, and then use that on like the eye.
What I really wanted to do was dip into this shade right here, Prickly Please, which is this kind of like peachy. I wanted to use that as blush. And maybe a little... I like using eyeshadow as blush.
Okay.
What can I say? I'm a rebel. Do you do a little blush on the nose or no? Well,
No.
on the nose or nose?
Not usually,
Well,
but fuck it.
it's very cute. It's very, very cute. Last from the collection, but not least, we have these two little makeup sprays. So we have Fresh AF Energizing Mist and then Glisten Up Illuminating Mist. I want to try the illuminating mist. Let's do it.
What is it supposed to be doing?
You just spritz it on your face, Jenny. You don't ask questions. Ooh, it smells good.
Do we both?
We both at the same time. This smells nice. Does yours smell good?
This one smells kind of good too.
Oh, this one's very florally. The other one is very citrusy.
I like them both, I gotta say. I like them both.
Okay. We just need to add a lip now.
Yep.
And
Thinking something like pinkish peachish. Pinkish peach-ish.
okay, yeah, the collection. I mean, the lip oils that came with it are absolutely beautiful. But this is just a gloss. Like this is just gloss that you would wear at home to keep your lips hydrated. It's not like what you would use to close out a look, honey. I'm gonna do Brooklyn by Ofra.
Mine doesn't have a name, but it is from Atomic Makeup.
Do you look cute? I think we do. If you're asking me, then I vote for yes.
We ended up getting a little fall with it.
We got really fall with it, which I don't think that was the vibe that they intended.
No, it definitely wasn't.
But if you look at the bottom row, I mean, it's beautiful and it's stunning and it's flawless. And
you give it those. You give us
you
those.
have a lot of lipstick on your teeth. Like a stop eating it. What was your favorite product of the collection?
Well, I love the blush. I think the blush is really like you cannot go wrong with these 2 shades of blush that they have.
ColourPop knows how to make a goddamn blush. They really do.
They do.
really do.
These are perfect. These are perfection.
The lip oils.
These were also really cute.
You can have one of those.
Okay. They look almost identical. Thank you. Which one can I have?
Whichever one you want.
Can I have the light one?
Yeah. Yeah, they're pretty much exactly the same.
It's kind of like putting on, instead of putting on a chapstick, you put this on.
It's so good.
And
It's so
I mean,
good.
like, if you're like me, use chapstick a lot.
all day, every day.
Anyways, guys, we hope you liked this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you next time. Bye. Mwah. Does that work?